Hi, this is Jason with Platinum Tools. Today we're going to go over the Net Chaser Deluxe Test Kit. This is our new kit with the Net Chaser. It will give you a protective hard case. It's for high impact. It'll definitely take care of your Net Chaser or any of the contents in your kit. It has latches here, completely waterproof. You'll see here at the top it has a place to file your documents, and you get your instruction manual in here. First off, obviously you'll see the Net Chaser. Pull it right out, turns right on. You have your kickstand. You'll also notice on the unit comes with a little reminder to use your RJ45 port savers to extend the life of your RJ45 jack. Got our remote, our active remote there. We have power supplies. You get two power supplies, one for the active remote and one for the main unit. These power supplies also come with adapters depending on your location, North American, European, Australian. So we got quite a few little adapters here. Then we have the hanging pouch. This pouch you can keep all these contents in. We load it with some of our other accessories. So you'll see here we have the hanging strap that you'll put on the remote and main units. You get two of those, so you get two of these here. Then you have the micro USB for doing the file transfers or firmware updates. Then we have the RJ45 port savers, and then a F connector to BNC for any of the coax testing. Then we have the Cat5e shielded patch cables, 1 foot. You get 4 of those. And then we have the RJ45 to 8-way alligator clips. That's for testing unterminated Ethernet cabling. So we like this new kit. Hope this comes in handy for you guys. If you have any questions, please go to platinumtools.com and contact us anytime.